Oh, I see you. Oh, he's smelling. Christopher, come over here by yourself. Lock it, right? Come down a little bit. Come down, like. You see that sun glare?
Yeah.
Damn it. Look. Here.
Oh.
Okay. Move it over to the side.
Oh, okay.
Right there. Hold it right there for me. Oh, you're so cute. Give me that.
Trying to get a video.
Hold on, I want to take a picture. Hold still. There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna try to finish my quick little video.
I think he likes the way I smell. Do you like the way we smell? Look, here we go.
Yep.
Ready, set.
That's cute.
Meow. Hey.
That is cool.
Mm-hmm.